Today's episode is going to be about hiding the dark green, leafy green vegetables in the smoothie. Sneak the dark green vegetables in the kids' smoothie. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, you know how kids don't like to eat greens. They're not, look, trust me, they're not going to eat no collard greens, bro. They're not going to eat it like this. Now, unfortunately, I accidentally put it in the freezer, so it's still good. We all good, all right? Check it out. Kids today do not like eating green, dark green, leafy green vegetables. Okay, it's bad enough they barely eat the iceberg lettuce, right? So the main purpose for homeschool nutrition, this is homeschool nutrition, okay? For everyone out there that's homeschooling, this is part of the homeschool nutrition. As you already know, you are responsible for your kids' nutrition. They say that to you, you know. Anyway. You are responsible for your kids' homeschool nutrition. And one of the great ways to get the dark green, leafy green vegetables in the kids' system is the collard greens or greens. Romaine lettuce, organic romaine lettuce. This is organic collard greens right here. So let me give you the lineup, okay? This is like my signature smoothie right here. But I got one added ingredient in here, and it's very simple. It's not hard to do, okay? So we got the organic mango. Okay, that's the taste right here. It's giving it a taste. Trust me, they won't taste it. They're not going to taste the dark green, leafy green vegetables. I'm telling you right now. I've been doing this for a long time, over 2 decades, making smoothies for my kids. I have 4 kids, and this is for my youngest kid, Zakai. Now Zakai I've been homeschooling since he's been in the 3rd grade. He's now in the 8th grade. He's still being homeschooled, still going strong, still getting straight A's. So, I mean, he's doing a phenomenal job. And I think one of the reasons that's helping him with, those A's and everything is he's getting brain food in his system. You know what I'm saying? This is brain food. We have organic blueberries. This is brain food. Today I'm going to help you. I'm going to make cranberries. Add some cranberries in there. All right. So look, let's just get started with the smoothie. And I'm just going to show you how I make it. And it's very simple for you to do. It's not time consuming. You just slip it in, sneak it in there. You know what I'm saying? Just sneak the dark green, leafy green vegetables in the kids' system. It's very, very simple. They're not going to taste them. Don't tell them. All right? Of all ages. All right? So let's just get started. Just going to cut these real quick. No, I'm not going to cut myself. I've been doing this way too long. You know what I'm saying? Way too long. So it's a very simple process. Don't tell me you don't like cutting. I mean, look, just curl your fingers in there like that. And then just cut the greens like this here. All right? Highly nutritious. Look up the nutritional benefits of collard greens. Look up the beneficial nutrition of blueberries. Okay, you already know off the back that that's brain food. Okay, this is super power for you, and I make this for him all the time because I want to make sure that he has that in his system. All right. Today we're going to also have carrots in there. I kind of cut the carrots up a little bit more so it can be nice and smooth inside the smoothie. Now the carrots also give it a nice flavor as well. The carrots, the eyes, vitamin K. All right. This is a very important part of the kids' day. Getting nutrition inside their system. And this is making a smoothie is a really, really great way. A homeschool smoothie, I call it. Homeschool smoothie. Making these homeschool smoothies is awesome. And I'm glad that I am able to do it. All right. Now, if you don't want to, you don't have to cut it up like this, but I do it real fine so they can really get it blended up inside of this blender. I have an Oster blender. It's 700 watts of power, so it pulverizes everything. Right? people say, no, you can never get enough greens, and you know, Thanksgiving just left, so we definitely need that smoothie. Definitely need that smoothie. All right, well, that should be good right there. All right, that should be good. All right, we're gonna get started. First thing you want to do, I call it step one, is you're gonna pour the organic mango inside here to about, you can go up to about right there. All right, now we'll start the blending process. I usually put these in last, so here we go. Now we're gonna add ice, okay? You gotta have ice. I mean, you just have to have ice, bottom line. It helps with the smoothie. It's nice and cold, goes down nice and smooth for the kids, all right? The kids love it. My son Zakai, he loves it, all right? All right, guys, now to taste it. Okay, let's do the taste test. Taste test checker. All right, homeschool smoothie, here we go. A little bit here. That tastes good, good. And the thing about it is you want to make sure it's not thick. So you want to add some water, and then you add a little bit more of that for the taste. But guess what? Can't taste the dark green leafy green vegetables. All right, I snuck the dark green leafy green vegetables inside of this smoothie. You got to sneak it in. They won't taste it. They won't taste it. So don't tell them. All right? Don't tell them. They'll look at them greens like, ew. You know, kids that eat salads, or parents that are trying to get the kids to eat salad, homeschooling parents, homeschooling moms, homeschooling dads. If you're trying to get the kids to eat a smoothie, if you're trying to get the kids to eat salad, and every day you just make them a salad and you just see it sitting there. You look, just do like I just showed you, make them a smoothie and they won't even know. It's like, you don't have to, just tell them, hey son, you don't have to have the salad. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about this. Instead, I'll just give you a nice smoothie. This is delicious. It tastes better than that salad right there. All right, and you're gonna pretty much just trick them, and they're gonna be like, "Ooh, this tastes good." I said, "Yeah, a lot of fruits in there. This nice fruit smoothie, right?" And then, I mean, they love it. My son loves it. All right, so I mean, that's all it is to it. That's it. That's all you do. It's very simple. You don't want to try to complicate this. It's not hard to do. All right, just do like I said. Rewind this video, and you get these tips here. These are dark green leafy green vegetables that are inside the smoothie, and the kids are not going to know the difference. But at the same time, you are accomplishing your goal by homeschool nutrition. You see what I'm saying? Homeschool nutrition, all these benefits that were in here. You got your blueberries, right? You have your cranberries. You have your organic mango. Then you had the carrots. Then you had the organic collard greens. All right? A lot of people don't like collard greens, man, because collard greens are rough. If you ever made collard greens, you gotta make it on slow. That shit, you gotta cook that for a minute. Them collard greens to cook, so as to be nice and, tasteful, so it won't be so rough, But even though it's rough, it got some very, very good nutritional benefits to it. Okay, it's very, 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 very good for you. And by starting the kids young, taking these dark green, leafy green vegetables, it really helps with their whole system. It helps nutritionalize their body, and it's just a great source of iron. It's a great source of a lot of minerals. Look them up, guys. Look them up after this video. Look up all the nutritional benefits of everything that I put inside this smoothie. Okay, and you will see that it's very, very highly nutritious for the kids here at Homeschool. Okay, this was a homeschooling tip for you for homeschool nutrition. All right, I am the homeschool dad. I will see you on the next episode.